If you are wondering if you need to buy a charger or power adapter for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then the answer depends on a couple of things. The first thing is if you already have a charger or power adapter, for example from your previous phone. If you still do have a charger or power adapter, then the next question is how many watts it has. If it has 25 or more, then you probably don't really need to change that charger or power adapter. It is still going to work and you can use it to charge your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, as long as, of course, you have a cable for it. And of course, we do have the cable inside the box. We have USB-C to USB-C cable, so even if you don't have a cable, if your charger or power adapter has USB-C port, then you can use that cable without any issues whatsoever. However, if your power adapter is USB-A or it has USB-A port, then of course you need a USB-A to USB-C cable so that it can fit both the charger and the phone. So of course it might be just adding more and more costs. However, this is how it looks like in case you already have a power adapter. If you have a power adapter but it has less than 25 watts, it's still fine. You can still use it to charge the phone, but you will not be able to reach the fastest charging speed possible. So you might want to upgrade it, as long as, of course, you care about it. And in case you do not have a charger or power adapter at all, for example, you sold it with your previous phone or you just don't have it for some reason, then in that case, yes, you need to buy a charger or power adapter because it is not included inside the box. So the phone does not come with a charger, and you have to purchase it separately. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.